Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna open all these cans as well as bottles, and do you know, with the help of this, because I lost my opener. What was the sound? Isn't it beautiful? Let's open the first one. This is the Fanta strawberry. The bottle is amazing. The glass, they have molded it in a beautiful way, and the color, it's amazing. Earlier the Fanta used to come only in this orange flavor, but now they are back with strawberry and citrus. So let's open the strawberry one with the help of the screwdriver. I think that's what it is called, because you know guys, I just lost my opener and I was searching for it and didn't able to find it. Oh, please open, ma'am. It is taking time. I'm not a good opener also, I would say. Yeah, now it's so this is how it looks like, and I'm gonna taste it. Definitely the flavor of strawberry is coming, and there is a glass bowl and I'm gonna pour it in. So that's it. Now let's come to this Fanta orange. This was the original flavor of the Fanta. In this color only the Fanta used to come. So let's not wait for much and just open it. Next time I'm gonna purchase the opener soon, because I just saw it was not there. So yeah, this time I opened it bit earlier. So this is the orange flavor and I'm gonna taste it. The old flavor is back. So now it's time for this one also to go in the jar. Nice. I'm gonna cover the top. Now the Fanta citrus. Citrus is a flavor like lemon, you could say. So let's open this can also. This not can, this bottle, without the help of bottle opener. Some people open with their teeth also. I don't know how. I'm very scared. Please open it soon. I'm in a bit hurry. Oh, it's opened. So the Fanta citrus. Now I'm gonna taste this one. Very plain flavor, not much is there. Like in the strawberry, I could taste strawberry. In orange also, it's an original flavor of orange, but in this it's kind of simple. Who likes simplicity, go for this one. It's amazing. Now it's time for going in the jar. Yep. So these three cans are also the similar taste, but I just want to check whether there is some difference in the can and the bottle one, or they are equal. So let's go with the orange. It's very easy to open. Nice. Now the Fanta strawberry. I think today I need help to open these cans also. It is getting very difficult. Yeah, now it's opened. Frankly saying, guys, I love the strawberry the best. I loved it. The strawberry is adding so much of color to it. And now the citrus, last but not least. This time it was looking a little bit stronger. So now what I'm gonna do, it's mixed. Now I'm gonna pour this in a glass so that you could see what color comes out. Please go properly. I came to be very messy, as you could see. It's very messy, but the color is of strawberry. Little bit. It's little bit means little bit less. The darker is the strawberry, as you could see. The strawberry is quite darker one, but this one is little bit lighter. So this is it. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon also. But before that, I'm gonna taste this and tell you whether the combination of all of this, how it tastes. Amazing. The mixture is very nice, very amazing. I loved it. So go and try these Fantas different and let me know whether you like it or not. Thank you. Till then, bye bye. And do not forget to subscribe.